you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. You beside me, yeah.
Hello everyone, today's wig is from Eullair and this is how it came and the goodies that came inside, and here is our wig. And as you can see, it has lots of baby hairs and the hairline does seem to be pre-plucked. It looks very good. And here's the inside of the cap, and as you can see, it has 3 combs, one on each side, one in the center, and one in the nape area. It does have drawstrings also. Now here is the wig on and I'm just combing it out a bit. Now I didn't apply any glue or any gel. All I did was I used the elastic band at the back from ear to ear. I sewed it and placed the wig on my head. Now I'm going to use some water and conditioner, but first I'm going to define out my part more. Now I am going to part it on a slant because it is a 13x4. I part it on a slant so I get a deeper part, and now I'm just adding some water and conditioner and just combing it down to define out my part more. And now I'm going to continue to spritz down the hair with the water and conditioner to loosen out my curls and just style out the hair. And now we're going to add some Eco Styler gel. I love using the Eco Styler gel to define out the curls. You don't have to, but I like using it. And now for my dimming brush, comb out the curls and then just fluff them back up. See how nice the curls look? Oh, well defined and nice. And now we'll do the other side. And now I'm just going to cut some baby hairs into the unit. I like baby hairs. So I'm just dividing them out and cutting them to the desired length that I want. And then we're going to use some Got To Be glue gel and shape down the baby hairs. And now I'm going to use some powder foundation and define out my part a bit more. You can bleach your knots if you want, but I don't bleach my knots. I find just using the foundation to your skin tone works just as good. And your girl is not good at bleaching knots, so I'm not even going to venture there. And this works just fine. And here we go. Doesn't that look nice? I think it looks very nice. The curls are popping and everything. And look at my part. Looks very nice. It's on the slant. With the lace, I think it looks very nice with just the foundation, like I told you. Alright everyone, it's dry now. The hair is dry, so this look is what they call the wet look. So if you don't want your hair, if you don't like your curls big and puffy like I do, then you stop at this step here. Yeah, do what I did. Spritz it down, add your Eco Styler gel, and then use the Deming brush and comb it out because that helps activate the curls more with the Deming brush. And then just let it air dry. So that's what I did. Let it air dry, and that's how it is. It's all dry, and the curls are popping. I love this water wave. It's nice. And it's 180 density. So it's nice and full and bouncy and alive. Yes, it is. But you know your girl likes her hair big and puffy. So I'm just going to use my fingers and comb through the curls. Yes, I am. Just play with it, because with curly hair, the more you play with it, the fluffier it gets. And that's what I want. So I'm going to do a bit fluffy, not too much. Not too much, but a bit. Just fluff it out a little bit more. And the hair is so nice and soft. Yes, it is. It's nice and soft. There we go. Just a bit fluffier. Don't want nothing too dramatic. Okay. Here's the back. Oh, it feels good. Nice and fluffy. And the hair is full. And bouncy. The hair is from Eullair, and it's 18 inches, and it's their Brazilian water wave. And it's a 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it's 180 density. Yes, it is. So it's really full and nice. I like it. The curls are nice and soft. The curls are popping. And 18 inches is a good length. It's a nice length to wear. Now I have gotten hair from Eullair before. I love their wigs. Their wigs are very nice. They feel lightweight on your head. The caps fit good. Yeah, the caps are not big and bulky on your head. It's the right size, medium cap. I love it. It's absolutely nice. I do. Their wigs are very nice. I have no problems with them. I don't experience excess shedding. When, like how it's curly hair, when I comb through the hair when it's wet, I only comb through it when I wash it or when I spritz it wet. I comb through it, I get 1 and 2 strands, which is expected. You will get hair, but as long as it's not falling off all over, shedding all over your clothes, when you go out, that's fine. That's what it's not doing, so it's okay with me. Yes, it is. And their shipping is very fast. I always get my units fast whenever I order from them. And check out the part, you guys. Now it's 13 by 4, so you don't get a deep part. If you go this way, it's not really deep. So that's why I came with a slant here. So I got a deeper part. Yeah. I didn't bleach my knots, no, I don't do that. I put the makeup like I show you in the knot, and it's fine. You don't have to bleach your knots, boo-boo. You don't have to bleach your knots, my dear. No, you don't. And your wig looks nice just the same. Yes, it does. And just water and conditioner and some Eco Styler gel. Yeah, you don't have to use Eco Styler because the gel, the curls were popping before I put in the gel, but your girl just likes to use the gel. So I added some in there to my curls, and it's really nice. Eullair Company. I will leave a link below for you guys to go over and check out this unit. And they do have other units over there, and their prices are very reasonable. Yeah, so click on the link down below and check them out. And remember, this is their Brazilian water wave 13 by 4 lace front wig, 18 inches and 180 density. All right, everyone, thank you for clicking on and coming and seeing the hair that I had to show you guys today from Eullair. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.